Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the device model and current OS version so you know which fixes apply. This prevents wasted steps. Next, back up your data and remove any case or screen protector that might interfere with the sensor. Then clean the sensor and your finger with a lint-free cloth. Oil, moisture, or debris often break reads. Once done, reboot the device to clear temporary software issues and test Touch ID immediately to see if the problem persists. You should remove all saved fingerprints and then re-add them, placing your finger at different angles and edges so the sensor learns a full fingerprint profile. Make sure the operating system is fully updated. Updates often include biometric driver fixes. If your device offers diagnostics, run them to check for sensor faults. While adding prints, press naturally and lift slightly between scans so the system captures ridge detail. After re-enrolling, try authenticating with different fingers. If reconfiguration and updates fail, reset network and Touch ID settings, and only consider a factory reset after a full backup because it rules out software corruption. When diagnostics or a technician point to hardware failure, contact an authorized service provider for sensor replacement. Unauthorized repairs can void warranties. Meanwhile, make sure you have a strong passcode and enable two-factor authentication for accounts. If you still have issues, one key troubleshooting tip: test with a freshly created secondary fingerprint. If that fails on a service device, the problem is almost certainly hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.